2, 1. Okay, let's go. Oh, good start by Mehdi. That's close. Did he get outside the line? Might have just gone outside the line.
Because Mehdi Hassan, he thinks that it is very straight. Yes, go upstairs.
Original decision not out. Pitching outside off. Impact umpire's call. Wicket hitting. Stay with your original decision.
Goes through the offside. Oh, don't think there's a little edge there. Tuskin thinks there is.
Huge discussion. Hey, go upstairs again.
Rolling. Keep rolling. Roll it back one more time, please.
Terrific review.
Oh, that is wild. And this time he succeeds, but again, not right out of the screws. Gone higher from Hyatt, and they come back for 3. He gets all of it.
Ball, great response. The next delivery was a beauty. Yep, trying to flick it off his legs, but there was scent of movement away from the right-hander, completely missing it. And the ball goes on to rattle the stumps.
That's a good shot. Oh, it's gone all the way. Shan going. Another good looking shot. He's found the gap as well. He's there. The last one was 135. He's found the gap again. Again, he might just